Good morning, students. Welcome to the 4th standard English class. Dear students, in previous video, we have discussed lesson number 6, exercise. Today in this video, we are going to discuss lesson number 6, grammar part. In this grammar part, we will discuss about parts of speech. In that parts of speech, we are going to learn nouns and pronoun. Okay? Yes. Let me tell you about the parts of speech. Words are divided into different kinds of classes. These are called parts of speech. According to their users or according to the work they do in the sentence. There are 8 parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Yes. How many parts of speech are there in English? There are 8 parts of speech. In that, today we are going to learn nouns and pronoun. Okay, so let's see here. Nouns. What is noun? Yes, a noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. Okay, what is noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. Noun is a naming word. Okay, noun is a naming word. Let me give you a example. Look at the name of a person. Aditi, Ashoka, Rohan, John, Amit, Preeti. These all are name of a person. Okay, then look at the example of name of a place. Mumbai, Canada, Australia, America, Vijayapur, Bagalkot, so on. These all are name of a place. Then name of a animal. Tiger, lion, dog, cat, ant, etc. These all are name of animal. Then name of a thing. Pencil, table, chair, pen, cupboard, book, etc. These all are name of things. So here totally we can tell that noun is a naming word. Okay. Yes, now let us see the kinds of nouns. Now let us see the kinds of nouns. There are 5 kinds of nouns. There are 5 kinds of nouns. First one is proper noun. Second one is common noun. Third one is material noun. Fourth one is collective noun. Fifth one is abstract noun. There are 5 kinds of nouns. There are 5 kinds of nouns. Okay. Then let us see first one, proper noun. It is the name of a particular person, place, animal or thing. Yes, what is proper noun? It is the name of a particular person, place, animal or thing. Okay. Yes, proper noun is proper name mean one's own name. Proper name mean one's own name. Okay. Then Proper nouns are always written with a capital letter at the beginning. Proper nouns are sometimes used as common nouns also. Okay, yes, now let me tell you the example. Person, name of a particular person. Grace, Alfred, Amitabh, Abhishek. Okay, these all are a particular name of a person. So that's why these examples are proper noun. Okay. Then name of a particular place. Yes, Agra, Delhi, USA, Africa, etc. These all are a particular name of a place. Then particular names of animals. Elephant, cat, tiger, lion. Okay, these all are a particular name of a animals. Then thing, particular name of a thing. Yes, Camlin compass box. Yes, listen here children. If we are going to tell only compass box, it is common noun. Okay, but here we are going to tell the name of a compass box. Camlin. This Camlin shows particular name of a thing. So that's why it is proper noun. Okay, then Godrej cupboard. If we are going to tell only cupboard, it is common noun. Okay, here we have mentioned Godrej. So this Godrej shows proper noun. Then Parker pen. Parker pen. Look at here. If we are going to tell only pen, that pen word shows common noun. But here we are going to mention Parker pen. This Parker shows proper noun. Particular name of a thing. Okay. Yes. Now let me tell you one example for proper noun. Okay. Yes. Sita is a girl. Listen here. Sita is a proper noun, while girl is a common noun. Okay. The word girl is a common noun because it is a name common to all girls. Yes or no? Yes. Sita, Geeta, Mithal, etc. These all are a particular person name, particular girl name. So that's why these all are proper noun. While Sita is a proper noun because it is the name of a particular girl. Understood? Yes. Next we will go to common noun. Yes. What is common noun? Yes, it is the name shared in common by persons, places, animals or things of the same kind or class. What is common noun? A common noun is a name given in common to every person or thing of the same class or kind. Okay. Now let me tell you the example. Name of a person. Common name of a person. Boy, girl, man, woman, uncle, auntie, etc. Yes, listen here. If we are taking particular boy name, then it shows that proper noun. But here commonly we are using boy. So that's why the boy word is common noun, as well as girl, man. These also common noun. Okay. Then name of a common place. town, city, village, country, etc. Yes, listen here. If we are going to mention town name, that name shows proper noun, but here commonly we have written town, so that's why the town word is common noun here, as well as city, village, country also common noun. Okay, then name of a animal. Name of a animal: dog, cat, bird, insect. Okay, listen here. We are not going to tell boy dog, girl dog, or we are not going to take the particular name for the dog and cat and bird. Yes or no? So commonly we are using the words dog, cat and bird. So all these words shows common noun. Then think: table, chair, pen, notebook, pencil. Yes, here also table, chair, notebook, pen, pencil. These all words are showing the common name of a thing. Understood? Then we will go to one example. Okay, we will go to one example. Let me tell you, Ashoka was a wise king. Ashoka was a wise king. The noun Ashoka refers to a particular king. Understood? The noun Ashoka refers to a particular king. But the noun king might be applied to any other king as well as to Ashoka. Okay. King is a common noun here. Okay. Then we will go to collective noun. It is the name given to a group of things taken as a whole. Yes, it is the name given to a group of things taken as a whole. For example, fleet, army, herd, mob, bench, family, bunch, parliament, team, and committee, so on. Okay, these all words are showing the collective noun. Why? Because this shows group of things. Okay, these all examples shows the group of things, so that's why it is collective noun. Next we will go to pronoun. What is pronoun? A word that is used instead of a noun is called a pronoun. The word used instead of a noun. So for that word we are going to tell or we call pronoun. Okay. Pronouns can fall into 9 classification. In that we are going to study personal pronouns and possessive pronouns. Yes. First we will go to personal pronoun. Personal pronouns stand for the 3 persons. First person, second person and third person. Okay. Yes. The words I, you, she, he, it, we and they are personal pronouns used in the naming part of a sentence. Okay, then the words me, you, her, him, us and them are also personal pronouns used in the telling part of a sentence. Understood? Then we will go to possessive pronoun. It will be seen that the possessive cases of most of the personal pronouns have 2 forms. Of these, the forms my, our, your, her, their are called possessive pronoun. Okay, yes, the words mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs and its are possessive pronoun. Okay, when we are going to tell the thing is belonging to us, then we use the word mine. Yes or no? It is mine. Yes or no? So this mine shows possessive pronoun. Okay, understood? So dear students, I hope you all have understood the grammar part. Okay, thank you.